Okay, so here is the best way on how you can see Google account password on your iPhone device. So there are two simple methods on how you can view or see your Google account password. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So the first one is very simple. What you can do is just simply head over to your app library, or you can just find it in your settings as well. But it's way more convenient if you search it up on app library, type in passwords, and you'll see the passwords option. So iPhone automatically saves your passwords and everything if you don't even know it. So right away here you can just press on search and you can type in Google, and here as you can see it will show you your Google account passwords. So what you can do after that is just simply press on your Google email or whatever that it's showing, and you can just simply press on that and it will show you the password just like that. And here as you can see, if you tap on the password it will show you the password. So this was the first way. Now the second way is very simple. You have to go to your Chrome browser, and right over here it will show you this, but you have to press on your account and go to your account manager. Just press on manage your account, and right over here it's going to take a while to load, but here you have to go to security and you have to simply scroll down a bit until you see password manager. Go ahead and press on manage passwords. So right over here it will show you all the managed passwords that it has. So it might take a while to load up, but it's just going to show you all the passwords that you have on your device. So yeah, here as you can see all those, and you can simply search them up as well if you find your Google. But yeah, this is it. I hope this video actually helped.